myself Dr. Jitendra Dongre. I am coming from New Delhi, Ministry of Food Processing Industries. I heard about this Science City a lot, so I thought I should visit since I am in Ahmedabad. Since last 2 days I am here. So that's why I visited over here and I found that the aquatic museum is really very good. Whole lot of species are there. All aquatic species are there, and that tunnel wherein we can see the sharks is a overwhelming response and overwhelming experience for me. And regarding robotic, this museum, it's also a very fantastic museum for the layman. What are the spice robots? What are the different kind of robots? Been explained very well over here. I thought it should be in both languages, not only in Gujarati but Hindi, English, because the viewers who are coming over here, they're from the different cities, different states and all. So they should be familiar with all the information, because very good information being kept over here and all good robotics are here. So I wish all the best for this moments and Mukshan. Thank you.